Welcome back to another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Ooh, looks like Dad is in town. Terrible driver. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another farm tour because you guys liked the last one. Let's get this started. Of course I had to bring back the wife's car. We've got the dad's car. We have the work truck attached to the trailer. We have the Mahindra, which we're about to take a tour of the farm with. We have a sprayer. Used for spraying, kill the weeds. We have a combine, 9600. I had to bring back the Bobcat skid loader. Now on the main shed we have the Draper header. We have the big John Deere 90X, humongous, attached to the planter. This tractor we'll just use for moving around the gravity wagon and Draper header. Then we have a truck and the John Deere 8R, 7R I meant. And a lot of stuff in the shed. This trailer we'll use for transporting slurry, sometimes water, milk. We have a silo. Then we have a, turn that off. Then we have a gravity wagon. The other one's getting worked on, getting some maintenance done to it. And this side we'll normally use for animals. We have a manure trailer, New Holland, 185. And we have a voucher tractor. We'll use that for the animals. And our food mixer. Let's see what fields need so we can prepare for the harvest. Looks like it's still in the growing stage, so we have to speed up the time and go to bed. This is our house. This is actually on the mod hub. We have 2 rooms, the backyard. Soon we have a pool back here. Two different entrances. Kitchen. Thanks for the support lately, guys. Really appreciate it. Nice view. Let's see if we could go to bed yet. Nope. Says we're not tired. Let's just drive around the farm. Now let's see if we can head to bed. I think it will work. Close the door. Now see y'all in the morning. Oop, it's morning. Now we can start preparing for harvest. Let's hop in the Mahindra. What the heck? What is that dog doing? Is he stuck in the tree? There we go. That should stop it. Yep, crop is ready to harvest. Let's go get the combine out of the shed. I have to move the John Deere 90X out of the shed. It takes up a lot of room. Oops. Tight fit. Now let's get the Fendt tractor to get the draper header out of the shed. Now let's pull the header up. Have to pull this up a little bit. Gotta get the 7.0 started. Let's go hook up to the gravity wagon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next farm sim video where we harvest this field.
J Money out. Peace.